Okay. So this will be a really quick end of the video because it's just a couple of questions to finish up. So the diagram labels a few parts of a cell. What best identifies this cell as a bacterial cell rather than a plant cell? So how do we know this is a bacteria and not a plant? Key thing, bacteria, if we remember, is a prokaryote. So how do we know this is a prokaryote? A, it has a cell wall. B, it has ribosomes. C, it is missing chloroplasts. Or D, it is missing a nucleus. So the best thing, there's a couple answer choices that are true, but the best one that tells us this is a prokaryote is the fact that it doesn't have a nucleus. If it doesn't have a nucleus, you know for a fact it is a prokaryote, not a eukaryote. All right. For centuries, living things were classified into two kingdoms, plants and animals. In 1876, this guy proposed a tree of life model that added a new kingdom called Protista, which is also in your chart that you just wrote down in your notes. He decided that Protista is different from plants and animals. Around 1980, scientists proposed a six-kingdom system that threw away the tree of life model but kept Protista as a kingdom. So we want to know how do protists or Protista differ from plants and animals? What do they have that plants and animals do not? A, protists usually lack DNA. Right off the bat, anything that lacks DNA is not going to be alive, so we can get rid of that. B, protists produce their own food. We know that's wrong because plants can produce their own food. C, protists are usually unicellular. Look back in your chart, see if that is true. Your note chart. Are protists unicellular or multicellular? Well, if you look back in your chart, you will see protists are unicellular. We know plants and animals are not. Animals are not made up of only one cell, neither are plants. All right, this is just a wrap-up of everything that we just went over. If you do not feel confident about evolution or need more practice on evidence of evolution, see Miss McGrath to get another packet that walks you through it. All right.